top one, 18K down, another 20, 30 to go today, we'll see. And trail break.
What's a trail break?
It's a break where you eat trail mix. So,
what time did you get up?
Got up at 3:45.
I got up at 4:15 this morning.
Yeah, had a wedding last night, so I couldn't make it out. So we had to have a nice early morning to get out.
The real heroes of this story are your parents who got up, drove us 5 hours to Armstrong and the start of the trip, and then went home. And Tom forgot to say goodbye to his parents.
Yeah, I'm sure they'll give me one day.
Yeah, one day. Paddled up that last time.
Oh yeah?
Oh, that doesn't look good. It's too late now. Go slow, go slow. Jesus, these holes are huge. Oh shit.
Yeah, we f***ed up.
That real hard. Respect the map. If it doesn't say line or run, you probably shouldn't. At least check.
There's a canoe folded in half up there, and that was almost my body, but I just hope the camera got it.
So
Saved myself by fingertips.
So what exactly happened though?
Well, we took on a ton of water. The water was so intense it almost bent the canoe. And we grabbed onto rocks and trees for dear life, and this guy got swept away to the other side of the river.
What happened? Wabakimi won. That's what happened.
It just was powerful water. Yeah.
So right now we're on Funger Lake. So far, it's a quarter after 6. We paddled about 30 kilometers. Right now we're taking a little Gatorade break right here on this spot, as you can see. And our game plan is to finish the night off at one of these campsites, which is about another 8 to 11 kilometers away.
I'm doing appetizers today, boys. I'm doing a Frank's Red Hot Sauce marinade on the fish with roasted garlic butter batter, and then we're gonna deep fry it with a vegetable oil, which is okay, but I prefer the peanut. You know, it's a little bit nicer, cooks better. But
Well, we got Macero over there cooking up some fajitas, chicken fajitas. You know, just some chicken with seasoning, peppers, onions, a little hot sauce.
so we're here, the first campsite of the night, or of the week, and we cooked some deadly fish. And this is how we construct a fish taco. Take a little bit of fish. First, you got your cheese, you got your hot sauce. Put a couple of nuggets in there. I need some more here. Come on. I need some more nuggets. There we go. If you can see, that's quality. Then you add a little bit more hot sauce on top of that.
Yeah.
And this fish is cooked with Frank's too, so this is extreme hot sauce.
What kind of hot sauce is that?
This is the Heartbeat habaneros. That's extreme heat. It's actually, well, it's above medium. Here, take that.
Every time someone gets
Fucking
called for
fold
work,
this
my
sucker
name
up
is
here.
on the list.
Grab it.
Yeah, so then sometimes I feel like a 2-week job, 3-month job, one
Sloppy fold job, that's okay.
It's not steady enough for me to make a living off that.
Golden Crispies,
Keep those.
caught on the lake.
So today we woke up early in Armstrong, went for breakfast, met up with Tom and Ross, drove to Caribou Lake, met a nice little friendly little fox there, and departed our adventure.
9 a.m. and we finished our adventure at 8 p.m.
About that. And in total, I think we paddled about at least 40 kilometers.
How were the paddling
They almost
conditions?
wrecked their canoe.
Headwind the whole time. It was non-stop headwind the whole entire time.
We had a couple of incidences today as well. Would you like to go through the one that involved your canoe?
Well,
Nelson?
on the map, it looked like we could have lined this rapid run, and yeah, it turned out to be pretty disastrous. It ended up getting, you know, chest deep the water, and the current was just so strong it pulled Adam under. He got washed away. That was pretty scary, actually. He somehow scrambled to the other side of the river, only with a bloody knee, and then me and Chris managed to pull the canoe over to the side and tie it up and empty it out. It had about a foot of water in it, and yeah, it was pretty bad.
Brayden, you want to tell your canoe story?
Yeah, we got Bryden here.
Yeah, go ahead, Brayden.
Bryden
Oh,
and
yeah,
Riley
hey.
today.
So there was another set of rapids there, and before we shot it, because this was just after Nelson adventure there, we asked Nelson to go down and line it, so he decided to line it, and then we asked him to check to see if there's any major rocks in the way that we might hit or damage our canoe with.
No, it's good. You
Well-
can go right down the middle.
No.
Yeah,
That's
that's
pointed-
exact words he told us.
I
he said.
pointed out the one rock that I saw,
In the middle.
and you dodged it.
he said there was no rocks down the middle, so we decided, okay, me and Riley, full bore, send it right down the middle. And the second we hit the end, there was this big boulder, and it just stopped us. Riley just about flipped out the front. I went sliding into the bags, and then we just slid off to the side of it. Thank God we didn't flip. Thank God we didn't break the canoe, and we survived the adventure. And I turned around and told everybody there's a big fucking rock right there, and it worked out. And yeah,
And
it was a
then
good
we
adventure.
went third. Perfect.
Yeah, they completed the mission correctly.
And the highlight of the day at the end of the day would have to be dinner. We quickly summarize the dinner.
So we got here with maybe an hour and a half left of sunlight, and
Scrambled to set up camp.
yeah, set up camp. We had some chicken fajitas and some fish, and we've
Some
been
golden
eating
crispies.
been eating for about 2 hours now, and we're about halfway done. So
And stay tuned for day 2 of the Bacon Bandit adventures.